in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this turntable wind down effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, move your playhead to where you want this effect to take place. Select the razor tool and make a cut at this position, and move to where you want that effect to end and make another cut, and delete these excesses over here. Now select this portion, right click and select Edit Clip in Adobe Audition, and hit Ctrl A to highlight the entire clip. Now move over to Effects in Audition and scroll down to Time and Pitch and select Pitch Bender Process, and come over to Presets over here and select Turntable Losing Power and hit Apply. And the last thing you need to do is just come over to File and select Save. And there we have it. The effect is done. Just come over to Premiere Pro and hit play, and you can now hear what we have over here. And that's it guys on how to create this wind down turntable effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.